Hi, today's topic is different types of cables and connectors used in LAN. An Ethernet cable allows the user to connect their devices such as computers, mobile phones, routers, etc. to a local area network that is called as LAN that will allow for user to have internet access and able to communicate with each other through a wired connection. It also carries broadband signals between devices connected through it. So, in this topic, we are going to discuss different types of Ethernet cable used in local area networks for reliable internet connection. Now, there are three types of Ethernet cables of lengths: coaxial cable, twisted pair cables, fiber optic cables. Now, we will see in brief what are these three types of Ethernet cables. If you see coaxial cable, a coaxial cable is used to carry high frequency electrical signals with low losses. It mainly uses 10 base 2 and 10 base 5 Ethernet variants. It has a copper conductor in the middle and it is surrounded by a dielectric insulator generally made up of PVC or Teflon. The dielectric insulator is surrounded by a plated conducting metallic shield which reduces electromagnetic interference of the metal and outside interference, and finally the metallic shield is covered by a plastic covering called a sheet, usually made up of PVC or some other fire resistance plastic material. So maximum transmission speed is 10 Mbps. It usually used in telephone system, cable TV, etc. Now in a coaxial cable, you have again three types of coaxial cable: hardline coaxial cable, RJ6 coaxial cable, and triaxial cable. Now, types of connectors used in coaxial cable is BNC, Bay-Nord wheel concealment, N-series connectors, F-type connectors, SMA that, or you can say sub-miniature connector, TNC that is threaded needle concealment, etc. Second is twisted pair cable. Again, twisted pair cable is a copper wire cable in which two insulated copper wires are twisted around each other to reduce interference or crosstalk. It uses 10 base T, 10 base and 100 base T and some other newer Ethernet variants. It uses RJ45 connectors. So again, in there are types in twisted pair cable, that is STP and UTP, that is shielded twisted pair cable and unshielded twisted pair cable. Third is a fiber optic cable. Now fiber optic cables are mainly used for internet purpose. So they are the optical fibers which are made up of glass cores surrounded by several layers of covering material generally made up of PVC or Teflon. It transmits the data in the form of light signals, due to which there is no interference issues in fiber optics. Fiber optics can transmit signals over a very longer or distance as compared to twisted pairs or coaxial cables. Hence, it is capable of carrying information at a great speed. Again, in that you have two types of fiber cables, that is single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. Types of connectors used in a fiber optics cable are ST, that is straight tip connector, fiber channel connector, that is called as FC connector, SC subscriber connector, and LC recurrent connector. Now the conclusion of this topic is Ethernet cables are used to connect devices to network, allowing them to communicate with each other and access the internet. These cables come in different types, different design to support various speeds and performance levels. They are essential for both home as well as office network, ensuring stable and reliable connection.